Bluegrass Community and Technical College has partnered with Nelnet Business Solutions to offer an online payment plan as a convenient way to help you meet your educational expenses. To begin, please make sure to temporarily disable your pop-up blockers. On Internet Explorer, you can do this by selecting Tools, then Internet Options from the Privacy tab, and uncheck the pop-up blockers box. After disabling your pop-up blockers, log into your student self-service account. From the student homepage, click on the Account Balance tile. Then, click on Make a Payment. From the Pay By drop-down menu under Payment Method, select Set Up Official Payment Plan, then click Confirm. Please note that if your screen does not change after clicking Confirm, you must disable your pop-up blockers. You are now in Nelnet Enterprise, where your basic information has been imported from your student account. Review the information to ensure accuracy. Make any necessary edits, and once confirmation that all information is correct, click the green Submit button. Next, you will see your current charges and calculated aid reflecting on the NBS homepage. To proceed, click the green Set Up a Payment Plan button. Next, click on the green Begin button and ensure your demographic information is correct. Next, select and answer 2 security questions. Then click the green Next button. Note, you can click the Save and Exit button if necessary, but understand you will have to return and complete the remaining steps to be enrolled into the payment plan. Confirm your amount due and click the green Next button. Select your payment schedule, then click the green Next button. You will be prompted to accept the $25 non-refundable enrollment fee to participate in the payment plan. You must click the green OK button to continue. On this screen, you need to select your payment method. Once you have established a payment method with NBS, the data is saved, and if you opt to enroll in a payment plan next term, you can select the Save Payment Method from your profile. After selecting your payment method, click Next. Now, you will need to enter your account details and click the green Save button. After entering your account information, you'll select the account in the Pay Using drop-down menu under Payment Details. Here, you will be provided the monthly amount being charged to your selected payment method. Click the green Next button after confirming that payment information is correct. You're almost there. Click the green Next button to review your payment plan schedule. This panel is detailed. Please be sure to review all the information to ensure accuracy. Review your payment schedule and read the terms and conditions. Once completed, you must check the box accepting the terms and conditions of the payment plan. Then click the green Authorize button. Here, you have the option to print out the agreement for your records. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Nelnet Business Solutions at 1-800-609-8056 or visit the Bursar's office on campus. To access your payment plan after you have completed the enrollment steps, simply log into your student self-service and click on the Account Balance tile. Then expand the Account Services menu. Next, click on Manage Payment Plan. Here, you will be redirected to the Nelnet Enterprise, where you can review your payment plan and make any necessary adjustments by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu or the personal account links. Thanks for viewing!